and we are here to do unboxing for Ipsy. But before that, I wanted to give a big shout out to us mom, to us parents. Congratulations to us. We passed the year, we ended the school year. Now we're going to enjoy the summer break and have a lot of fun creating memories with our families. So I just wish you all the best, and let's just enjoy and relax now. So let's do unboxing for Ipsy. We have Ipsy Glam Bag and we have Boxycharm. So first we're gonna do the Ipsy Glam Bag, which also I'm gonna let you know the theme for this month, and it is Passport to Glow. So that's the card, and basically for the Ipsy Glam Bag we get 5 deluxe samples and you get to choose one, and it's monthly $14. So I think it's definitely a great opportunity because you get to try so many products and they're all in sample size, which that means even if you travel, you could take them with you. And also later on, if you really love that sample you received, you could go ahead and commit to buy the bigger size, right? Like the full size, like they say. So let's open up my Ipsy, which I have here. We are ready to open up this beauty. So I hope everybody's enjoying so far this lovely summertime. I am so far being more out with my kids and trying to make lovely memories because they are only small ones. So I try to squeeze all these precious moments with them, especially since my oldest is gonna be on his birthday this month. So it's kind of like incredible how time goes and they grow up just like in the blink of an eye. They're already big. So I do my best to be there for them as much as I can. So let's continue with the Ipsy Glam Bag here. And the first item I have here, this is from Frank Body Engolic Body Scrub here. And this breaks up unwanted bumps and it has niacinamide blend. So it's definitely lovely to get a nice body scrub because I am definitely a fan of using body scrub. I always love to have it in my routine. So if I could get one in my Ipsy Glam Bag, definitely is a must. So that is the first item. Now let's go for the second item. The second item will be, this is from brand 8 Saint, Up the Anti-Aging Night Cream. So we have a night cream and let's check her out. So this is how she looks, and I'm excited to have a night cream because it's always good to be taking care of our skin. So why not try with a smaller size, so then after, if I love it, I commit to a bigger size, right? So that is 2. And I just wanted to remind you guys that what you see here is kindly gifted to me. I am so grateful to be part of the Ipsy community. This way I could bring you always the best of the best here. And you know what, let's tag along, let's continue this lovely exciting unboxing. And if you guys have any questions, always feel free to contact me here in the comments, or you know, there's all my socials linked down here below. So let's continue with the third item. This is Bare Minerals, Bare Mineral, and this is the Complex Rescue Bronzer. So this is blush and bronzer together. So let's check out this beauty. Oh, and the shade is Kiss a Moo. That's it. And let's open it up. And this is how she looks here. And let's take out the little wrap, right? It has a tiny little wrap here. And oh yes, now I'm able to swatch a little bit for you guys here. See? And and that is the shade right there. As you can see, it has kind of like a light shimmer, so I'm excited to give this a try. So I think tomorrow, if I do my makeup, this is gonna be a must, and I'll be trying this out because Bare Minerals, they have really nice makeup. So I'm really excited to have this in my Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is the third. And the fourth right here is a makeup brush. This is from Nin, and it has like yes, it has dual, like it has one here and it has on the bottom, but it's lovely and it's really soft. So I think it's perfect for those small areas, like if you have a concealer, you could just gently tap it in and blend it out nicely. So I'm excited to give this one a try and add it to my routine of makeup. So lastly, we have is Dallas James, and this is Watermelon Dream, and this is all-in-one eye cream. So I am a huge fan of getting eye cream, and I always think it's great that we get in this size because we don't need a big jumbo size. We just need a certain little amount for the area that's delicate under the eyes. So this is all for Ipsy, and now we're gonna do unboxing for the Boxycharm by Ipsy. So now we have the Ipsy by Boxycharm, and this is 5 full-size products, and you get to choose 3, and this goes for monthly for $30 a month, and the worth is $200 of products in here. So we will get to see what we have in this lovely box. So let's see, the first item, which I had to take this paper off. Okay, the first I wanted to show you guys is the pamphlet that we get inside that gives us kind of like a glimpse of what you could get inside your box. See? And it's kind of like you could build your box because of, like I said, you choose 3 products, and yeah, over here there's a little bit more sneak peeks of what you could get in your variety. And this is here, add to the cart, is what you could do shopping, because they have excellent deals for you to be shopping here and getting stock up on your makeup, skincare, and even perfume, because they also carry fragrance, so we never know what we get in this box. Let's open up this lovely box. Okay, the first item I have here is Daily UV Defense Sunscreen, and this is from Innisfree, and it says no white cast. So let's open her up here. This is how she looks, and I'm excited to have a sunscreen because it's always a must. You know, we need sunscreen daily. But I'm not going to open it. I'm gonna keep a hold of it. When I can use it, I'll let you guys know, because I have already plenty to finish first. So the next item I have here, this is Fenty, and this right here, oh, see, like I was saying, perfume. This is a perfume. Let me spray this. I really love the scent of it. It has it does have nice notes to it, so I think this is gonna go with me, of course, in my purse, because we definitely need perfume in the day, and I always love to be spraying a lot in the day, so this is gonna be a must for me. So we have La Mèche here, and this is a black mascara. Let's open it up just to show you how the packaging looks. And it is beautiful and steady, like, you know, like kind of like I think it's kind of like metal, but not that heavy, right? Kind of in between. But I'm not gonna open it because I have already mascaras that I'm currently using, so always good to use, open when you're going to use, right? So that is my third item, and here is my fourth, and this is Nithine brand, and this is brow sculpt, brow waxing wax, right? And it's sculpting brush, so it comes with a spoolie here. And what they mean about the brow wax is just a clear gel, right? Clear wax that you put on your eyebrows, but I'm not going to use it right now because I do have something I'm using. So hopefully I will be updating you soon on the ones that I have that I'm currently using, so then when I use this, I'll give you updates. So now lastly we have an eyeshadow palette, and this is L'Oreal, and this is Wildflowers Wishes, and it's 14 multi-finish eyeshadow. So this looks like a nice eyeshadow palette. Let me see if I can open this. Oh yes, there we go. And let's open up this beauty right here. Let's take out the sticker. Oh, perfect. Everything came out nice. So this is how she looks. I am happy with all the shimmers and the mattes. Definitely great. And I must say, I am impressed with this month for July. I think I got an amazing selection here. And I hope to hear from you guys what you guys get for this month of July. And also, I did hear that, I think, if I'm not mistaken, now in August we have the icon box, so it's like a third that you get box that you get quarterly. So I'm excited to see who's gonna be creating that box. I have no idea, but if I do find out, I'll try to give you guys a little sneak peek here and there. I know they will announce it officially on their page, but for now we don't know anything about that. But I just heard that I think it's next month. And yeah, this is all for the month of July. And like I said, keep enjoying your summer, keep creating lovely memories with your family, because they are definitely the #1 priority that we have daily. So let's have some fun in this lovely weather and continue to have, you know, the best times in life. And we will be back with more beautiful content to share with you guys. Take care, and thank you guys for always being here with me. Bye bye.